Ongoing MLC-JRPRC France-Russia François Bozizé Mohamed Al-Khatim Michel Jotodia Joseph Zoundeko Faustin Archange Touadera Parfait Onanga Anyanga Emmanuel Macron Jacob Zuma Maxime Mocom Dieudonné Ndomate Lévi Yurkate Patrice Edouard Nyasna Support 2013, 2014, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020 The Central African Republic Civil War is an ongoing civil war in the Central African Republic involving the government, rebels from the Seleka coalition, and anti-Balaka militias. In the preceding Central African Republic Bush War, the government of President François Bozizé fought with rebels until a peace agreement in 2007. The current conflict arose when a new coalition of varied rebel groups, known as Seleka, accused the government of failing to abide by the peace agreements, captured many towns in 2012 and seized the capital in 2013. Bozizé fled the country, and the rebel leader Michel Jotodia declared himself president. Renewed fighting began between Seleka and militias opposed to them called anti-Balaka. In September 2013, President Jotodia disbanded the Seleka coalition, which had lost its unity after taking power, and resigned in 2014. He was replaced by Catherine Samba Panza. But the conflict continued. In July 2014, ex-Seleka factions and anti-Balaka representatives signed a ceasefire agreement. By the end of 2014, the country was de facto partitioned with the anti-Balaka controlling the south and west, from which most Muslims had evacuated, and ex-Seleka groups controlling the north and east. Faustin Archange Touadera, who was elected president in 2016, ran and won the 2020 election that triggered the main rebel factions to form an alliance opposed to the election called the Coalition of Patriots for Change, which was allegedly supported by former President Bozizé. Peacekeeping largely transitioned from the ECCAS-led MICOPAX to the African Union-led MISCA to the United Nations-led MINUSCA, while the French peacekeeping mission was known as Operation Sangaris. Much of the tension is over religious identity between Muslim Seleka fighters and Christian anti-Balaka, and ethnic differences among ex-Seleka factions, and historical antagonism between agriculturalists, who largely comprise anti-Balaka, and nomadic groups, who constitute most Seleka fighters. Other contributing factors include the struggle for control of diamonds and other resources in the resource-rich country, and for influence among regional powers such as Chad, Sudan and Rwanda, and international powers such as France and Russia. More than 1.1 million people have fled their homes in a country of about 5 million people, the highest ever recorded in the country. The peacekeeping force Multinational Force in the Central African Republic was formed in October 2002 by the Regional Economic Community, Economic and Monetary Community of Central Africa, after François Bozizé seized power in 2003. The Central African Republic Bush War, the Convention of Patriots for Justice and Peace, and the Front Democratique Centrafricaine. Tens of thousands of people were displaced by the unrest, which continued until 2007, with rebel forces seizing several cities during the conflict. On 13 April 2007, a peace agreement between the government and the UFDR was signed in Birao. The agreement provided for an amnesty for the UFDR, its recognition as a political party, and the integration of its fighters into the army. Further negotiations resulted in an Libreville Global Peace Accord agreement in 2008 for reconciliation, a unity government, and local elections in 2009 and parliamentary and presidential elections in 2010. The new unity government that resulted was formed in January 2009. On 12 July 2008, with the waning of the Central African Republic Bush War, the larger overlapping Regional Economic Community to CEMAC, called the Economic Community of Central African States, replaced FOMUC, whose mandate was largely restricted to security, with the Central African Peacebuilding Mission, who had a broader peacebuilding mandate. Rebel groups alleged that Bozizé had not followed the terms of the 2007 agreement and that there continued to be political abuses, especially in the northern part of the country. such as torture and illegal executions. In August 2012, a peace agreement was signed between the government and the CPJP. On the 20th of August 2012, an agreement was signed between a dissident faction of the CPJP, led by Colonel Hassan al-Habib, calling itself Fundamental CPJP, and the Patriotic Convention for Saving the Country. Al-Habib announced that, in protest of the peace agreement, the Fundamental CPJP was launching an offensive dubbed Operation Charles Massey, in memory of the CPJP founder who was allegedly tortured and murdered by the government, and that his group intended to overthrow Bouzize. In September, Fundamental CPJ, using the French name Alliance CPSK-CPJP, took responsibility for attacks on the towns of Sibiu, Damara and Dekoa, killing 2 members of the army. Its CLA,